Hey there. In this video, we're going to take a look at what it looks like to log in as a facility manager in Beacon. So we just created a facility manager user in the last video, so I'm going to get logged in here. There we go. So you can kind of think of a facility manager user like a little bit like a sales user, except for one particular facility or group of facilities. So they have particular facilities that are assigned to them. So you can see here on my dashboard that I'm only seeing activity from Mayo Clinic because that's the facility that's assigned to me. But there are things that they can still do as long as it pertains to that facility, Mayo Clinic. So for instance, you can see here in my notifications that I got an inventory transfer. So I'm a representative of my facility and I can see that the manufacturer sent me inventory. So I'll head over to movements and then to transfers. And here in pending transfers, just like any other user, I can accept that inventory into my custody. And then if I head on over to the events section, I can see all of the events that are scheduled for my facility here. And if I open one up, I can view all of those details. And if I go back to the events, I can actually create events that pertain only to my facility in my user account. So if we go in to select the facility, Mayo Clinic's the only one there. We can select a procedure, and then we'll select physicians from the list of physicians that have been assigned to us. Hit next, select the manufacturer, which would in this situation be Acme, but it would be whatever manufacturer whose organization created the facility manager account, and then click create. And there they have scheduled a case for their facility. And you can see because they scheduled the case and they are the representative assigned to that case, now they can mark inventory as used. So they could actually go through the process of doing an entire case without the sales rep even being there. So this facility manager role has a lot of power in terms of empowering your customers with this data, to make it work for them and make it work for you. So they will be able to take a look at any inventory that's in their custody. They'll be able to deal with any events that pertain to them. They can even request inventory from you and quick transfer themselves inventory if you have it set up for them. So if you haven't checked out quick transfers, please go check out our video on that. But quick transfers essentially allow users to transfer themselves inventory from a forward stocking location or other user who's set up to interact with quick transfer. They can essentially transfer themselves inventory without having to wait for it to be accepted and transfer it directly to themselves. So if there's inventory for some reason that's at that facility and it's being used, but it's not been transferred to them, they may be able to transfer it to themselves from a quick stocking location, like I'm doing right here. So they would go into the quick stock location or custodian, select the inventory that they need, and transfer it to themselves. And then that transfer would automatically be accepted so that the inventory could be used in the case immediately. Now, again, that is a quick transfer function, not specifically a function of the facility manager. I'm just demonstrating that they are able to participate in them. And then they also can check out the directory. So any physicians, preference cards, facilities, procedures, etc., that pertain to them, they'll be able to view. So pretty powerful new role that we created here to help you empower your customers. Maybe it's a value add for your customers for them to be able to, see what's coming and directly interact with you, let you know when they need inventory and help you forecast that demand. Or maybe it's just a value add for you. Maybe getting your facility managers involved will help you keep better tabs on your operation and make things run more smoothly. Either way, it's a very powerful new feature. And if you haven't had a chance to check out our video on how to set it up, please head over and check out that video next. Take care.